Hey guys, Fishy here, and it seems like a lot of the fakers are women, and usually very pretty women, but there's a trend lately to include older women, like middle-aged, my age, or grandmother-looking women. And then I saw this one. This is Jacob Michael. We'll get to him in a minute, but this is what he shares. Uma Thurman says Trump is the best president in U.S. history, and we must respect him. Do you support? Well, right away we can tell that's pretty much fakery, that's engagement bait, that's signaling to the people in the group that this is okay to interact with this guy, with Jacob, because he's right there with them. And Caroline, to her everlasting credit, links him immediately to Hoax Alert, our friend Martin over at Lead Stories. And what's great about this is that it's in the thread. It can't be removed. And this faker is never going to come back and check this thread. So this debunk is right there for everybody to see. So who is Jacob? Jacob looks like this on the profile picture. And I'm assuming this is Jesus. I'm also assuming Jesus would not be too proud of what Jacob's doing here. Lives in Newark, New Jersey, a likely story, and shares a whole bunch of things about eagles. Eagle pictures, more eagle pictures, more eagle pictures. This is just how the profile goes. And then, of course, here's some elephant stuff, and they're cute little baby elephants. And then we have Jesus again. All right, so let's look at the photos commented on by Jacob, and this is what we get. These are the photos that Jacob is interacting with, and these don't look like they match at all. And when we get to this one, this cute family, they're so adorable. When we scroll down all the way to the bottom and look for a comment from Jacob, nice selfie, and then Raj says back, thanks, Pawan Pawar. Only it's Jacob Michael. You saw that coming, didn't you? I'll bet you did. So again, we found another one through the comments and the photos, and we found that there are some people in these groups who are paying attention and who are willing to pass on links like ones from Lead Stories. And this is one of the things that it takes everybody to do. If you see somebody sharing stuff like this, you can drop a link like that from Lead Stories. They're not tainted with all the Snopes drama. And I know Martin from Lead Stories, and I know that he works to get these done accurately and quick. So chances are you'll see a link from Lead Stories before Snopes even wakes up and realizes something's going on. So check those guys out too. But also, pass around Unfakery videos like this one to help people be able to spot these trends, especially like this, offering fake quotes like that. People can learn how to spot this stuff and be on their guard. We just have to show them that it's happening. So share these videos and help get the word out.